Hi, welcome to our Kurma Week series where we bake using Omni Mal product, and today we are going to make this viral Woll Roll bread using Date-Licious. Ooh, so soft. For the recipes, we are using Date-Licious Chopped date to give the bread extra sweetness and enhance the nutrients as well as the color of the bread. The recipes are really straightforward, where you just add all of the ingredients and knead it for a while. The dough will be a little bit sticky, but please do not add any more flour. Once done, let it cook for about an hour. Alright, next, for the filling, you need to dilute it with a little bit of water because it is hard. It is made from 100% of dates. By doing so, it is easier to use it as a filling. Ta-da! Divide the dough into 5 same equal pieces. Alright, time to make up the bread. Roll the dough lengthwise and score the bottom part. After that, add the filling on top and then roll it from top to bottom. Repeat step for the remaining dough. And when it is done, let it proof in the mold for about 2 hours or so. Lastly, bake it in 180°C oven until it is golden brown. Well, take a good look at that gorgeous looking bread. It is so cute and tasty. Try it and you will know it. See ya. Bye.